A while back, we were fortunate enough to interview a dentist. In that podcast episode, we may not have stressed it enough, but your oral hygiene is important. In this episode of the Healthy Human Podcast, I'm going to be talking about your oral health and a couple tips to ensure you maintain good oral hygiene. Before we start going into the facts, we must first ask ourselves, what is oral hygiene? Oral hygiene is the idea of keeping one's mouth clean and disease-free through methods such as brushing your teeth and cleaning between your teeth. But why is this important? Our body is capable of defending and controlling against bacteria if one maintains good hygiene techniques, such as flossing and brushing, which we will discuss later in this podcast. However, if this is disturbed, bacteria can reach levels that are very severe, which can lead to oral diseases like tooth decay, periodontal disease, and even oral cancer. Now that we have defined what oral hygiene is and some of the consequences caused by poor oral hygiene, it's time to transition to ways to improve or maintain good oral hygiene. The first method is the most generic yet the most powerful, and that is brushing your teeth. After you eat something, specifically with sugar, it can cause plaque bacteria that attacks tooth enamel, which is the thin outer covering of our tooth. The acids produced by this plaque can cause tooth decay or even harden into tartar, which is a hard calcified deposit that forms on teeth, which can lead to gum disease. When you brush your teeth, you are basically helping to remove the food and plaque that may harbor your teeth. According to the ADA, which stands for the American Dental Association, one should brush twice a day, 2 minutes at a time, using a fluoride toothpaste. When one brushes their teeth, it's also too important to consider your diet. If you eat foods or drink something that is very acidic, brushing your teeth right after can cause teeth damage. These acids weaken tooth enamel, and brushing too soon can cause these enamel to be lost. On an interesting tangent, I would like to talk about how electric-powered toothbrushes versus normal ones compare. Studies have shown that electric-powered toothbrushes tend to be more effective in removing plaque. These types of brushes can be especially helpful if one has shaky hands or is not cleaning their teeth thoroughly enough with a normal toothbrush. The second method I'd like to talk about is flossing. A recent statistic shows that only 32% of adults over 30 flossed. These numbers are incredibly low, but we can work to improve this. Flossing is essential in maintaining good oral hygiene. The main benefit of flossing is its ability to get in areas where your toothbrush can't, which is in between your teeth. Flossing can help remove food, bacteria, and even plaque between your teeth, which can overall help to reduce the risk of oral diseases. The third method I would like to recommend is the use of mouthwash. Mouthwash can freshen bad breath, it can help reduce risk of gingivitis as well as plaque, and it can also help prevent tooth decays and cavities. Mouthwash can really help improve your oral health, which is something important to consider. Mouthwashes contain fluoride, which is an essential material in helping clean and remineralize your teeth. We can see a repeating theme here. Fluoride is important. Lastly, I want to mention that drinking water can help improve your oral hygiene. Water functions as a mouth cleaner because it washes away food and residue that may be stuck on your teeth, which can help prevent bacteria from existing there. Water, if fluorinated, can also help to strengthen your teeth. Fluoridated water also helps to fortify your teeth by restoring both phosphorus and calcium levels in your teeth enamel, which can help prevent tooth decay. Once again, this has been Rohan, live on the Healthy Human Podcast. Be sure to tune into the next episode where I'll continue to explore the wonderful world of health. Until next time, remember to brush and floss, as well as remember our slogan here. Happiness is the product of good health.